Hi everyone, this is Rita from Marble Gym. For today I have prepared 10-minute ab workout without lying down and without equipment. In this workout we are going to perform 10 exercises and each exercise we repeat for 30 seconds. Altogether we have 2 sets and we work for 10 minutes without any breaks. Are you ready? Let's get started!
Everyone is watching, but I still feel so alone, alone, alone. And I've been waiting on a miracle, but by the time it comes I'll probably be stoned or on my phone. Oh no, now I'm sure that you have got the perfect positive quote to say, but I don't want your optimism today, I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up by rooting in my liver. I'm a poster child, millennial. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Everyone's invited to this pity party in my head, my head. And I'll cry if I want to, and I want to, but nobody's listening. So I'll just hide away instead complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Felt like I'm way too young to feel this old. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up. I root one in my liver. Keep on trying to do things that require soul. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. Don't get it, and they don't give me enough credit. My friends, I'm broken. I've tried and I can't stop smoking. My fears are growing, and my learning curve is slowing. I got no friends, and I'm broken. I'm broken. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up. I root when in my liver. I'm a poster child millennial. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. Yeah, yeah, oh, yeah. Oh no.
think we have finished this ab toning workout. If you enjoy working out with me, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more workouts that I'm going to upload weekly. Thank you for working out with me and see you soon. Bye!